Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to reduce abandoned checkout using Sidekick. Abandoned checkout means customer reach checkout but don't complete the purchase. So our goal is to bring them back and complete the order. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First click on Sidekick, then ask how to reduce abandoned checkout. Click on enter. Now it is processing. Now it give step by step result. So here we can check. Sorry. So now let's do this step by step. So first go to the settings, then click on checkout. Scroll down to abandoned checkout email. Okay, here already email automatically enabled. Send to anyone who abandoned their checkout. Set the timing to 10 hour. So that's it. Save the changes. This will automatically remind customers to complete the purchase. So next, to reduce abandoned checkout, customize email template. So go to marketing. First go to the Shopify admin. Then go to marketing. Then click on automation. Here we can see we need app installation for email marketing. So we can just leave it. Now to check abandoned orders, go to orders, then click on abandoned checkout. Here we can see when customer put an item in cart but don't check out, you can also email customer a link to their cart. When the customer put the item in cart, we can but didn't check out, we can send the email directly to them. So now we can check the shipping and delivery to reduce the abandoned checkout. So go to the settings, then click on shipping and delivery, then click on general profile. Set below shipping price or free shipping. Here already it is cleared. So next we can add discount code. So go to the discount. First go to the Shopify admin dashboard. Then click on discounts. Then here we can click on create discount. Then we can set a code 30, discount value to 30%. Now available on all customer. No minimum requirement. Maximum discount uses, limit to 1 use per customer. So we can set the expiry date to so that's it. Save the changes. Now we can go to the online store, then view the online store. From there we can check return policy, contact us and all are cleared or not. Here about us, contact are all set. Okay, that's it. The customer leave mainly due to extra cost, confusion or lack of trust. So this is how you can reduce abandoned checkout. These are the steps. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.